YouTube? It's your girl Yazzie, and I'm back again with another video on this neutral mauve look. It's just a quick little cute quarantine look to go in the living room. But yeah, if you guys like this look and you want to see how I achieve this look and also this messy bun, keep watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so we started off with the brows, and as you can see in the beginning, I was hating how my brows were coming out because I couldn't find the right pencil for my eyebrows. So I just had to improvise and use what I had, but I started to fix them up with the powder, as you can see. So Okay, so I don't know what happened to the footage of me applying the contour to my cheeks, but I was using the It's My RayeRaye palette and I used the darkest shade in there. I only applied the contour to my cheeks. I didn't contour anywhere. The footage of me applying the blush also erased for somehow. I used the same color that I put on my lid as blush. Okay guys, so to achieve this bun, it's honestly very simple. You're just going to split your ponytail in half and you're going to wrap each section opposite sides to give it height and fullness. And then you're going to lay your baby hairs in whatever style or design that you want, and that's about it. Thank you again guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. I wanted to bring you guys this look, and I love it. I absolutely love this look. It's like a mauvey eye, great for the springtime, going into the summer. So yeah, and guys, tell me what type of videos you think I should do. And I used to do a lot of makeup stuff, but I want to like dip my feet into vlogging and like mukbangs and more family oriented stuff as well. But yeah, just tell me what type of videos you guys want to see. I think I want to do like a update life video or something like that, or a Q&A.